I'm sure I am going to react the crazy ramen pizza.
Ramen pizza? It's a thing!
Ramen pizza? That's unacceptable! Atvratita na! Why did you fry this? This is very extremely unnecessary.
Pizza cheese!
I'm sick and done with you because the pizza cheese looks fake and really like a vegetarian.
Now grab 2 mini blowtorches and crisp it up.
She uses the flamethrower. Unacceptable! Study Delish.
Now bake for an hour. Come back to see it all sliced up.
This pizza was a disaster. Ito achin advratita na. What is that? No, it's disgusting, revolting, and very Russian disaster. Wait, what? Is that a European?